Open your hood and look past the carbon fiber and the German badges. You are looking at the most expensive engineering oversight in automotive history. Today, we expose the 7 plastic failure points that turn the ultimate driving machine into the ultimate financial disaster. This isn't a theory, it's a thermal reality that ends in a $7,000 repair bill once your warranty expires. To understand why your BMW is disintegrating, you must understand the lease culture. Manufacturers no longer build cars for 20 years. They build them for 3 years or 36,000 miles. For the first owner, the car is flawless. But for you, the second or third owner, you are inheriting a machine built with materials that have a predetermined expiration date hidden inside their chemical structure. There is a fine line between efficient engineering and planned obsolescence. By replacing high-grade alloys with PA66 polyamide plastics in the cooling system, BMW achieved a things. They reduced manufacturing costs and ensured that major components would require replacement exactly when the car enters the used market. It is a brilliant business model, but a nightmare for your bank account. The real killer isn't the plastic itself, it's thermal cycling. Every time you drive to work, these plastic components expand under 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Every time you park, they contract. After 60,000 miles, the plastic loses its plasticizers. It becomes brittle, turning from a flexible connector into something as fragile as an eggshell, waiting for one tiny pressure spike to shatter. The first culprit is a small, innocuous-looking connector known in the mechanic world as the Mickey Mouse flange. This plastic fitting connects the main coolant hose to the engine block on N20, on 54, and in 55 engines. When this brittle plastic snaps and your engine will dump to gallons of pressurized coolant in seconds, leaving your cylinder head defenseless against instant warping. When that flange fails at 70 miles per hour on the interstate, you have less than 30 seconds before catastrophic damage occurs. The aluminum cylinder head on a modern BMW cannot handle even a few moments of zero coolant operation. The metal expands, the head gasket fails, and the repair cost instantly jumps from a $50 hose to a $5,000 top-end rebuild. Unlike traditional cars with belt-driven metal pumps, BMW utilizes complex electric water pumps with plastic housings and internal circuit boards. These pumps are notorious for soft failing. The electronics begin to glitch, or when the plastic impeller cracks, reducing flow without triggering a dashboard light until the engine is already into a critical overheat state. The danger of an electric pump is its unpredictability. One moment it's flowing, the next, the internal solder joints fail due to heat soak. Because there's no mechanical link to the engine, you won't hear a squealing belt or see a leak. You simply drive until the engine overheating warning appears in red, which usually means the damage is already done. The BMW expansion tank is a master class in poor material choice. Made of 2 halves of composite plastic bonded together, it acts as a pressure vessel. Over 5 years, the seam where these 2 halves meet becomes a structural weakness. It is common for these tanks to literally explode under load, spray boiling coolant over sensitive electrical components. Before the tank explodes, it develops microscopic hairline fractures that only open up when the engine is at full operating temperature. You'll smell a sweet maple syrup scent, but you won't see a puddle on your driveway. This slow, hidden leak leads to low coolant levels, air pockets in the system, and localized hot spots inside your engine block that crack pistons. Modern BMW radiators use an aluminum core, but rely on plastic end tanks crimped onto the metal. These gaskets and plastic tanks are exposed to the most extreme temperature swings in the car. Eventually, the plastic fingers that hold the radiator together lose their grip. A sudden leak at the radiator. It happens far from home, requiring an expensive tow and a full cooling system overhaul. This is perhaps the most dangerous failure of all. The oil filter housing on many BMWs is mounted directly above the serpentine belt. When the gasket fails, which is guaranteed by 70,000 miles, oil leaks down onto the rubber belt. Oil dissolves rubber. If that belt slips or snaps, it can be sucked through the front main seal and into the engine, causing total mechanical failure. When the internal seals of the housing fail, oil and coolant begin to mix. This creates a thick, milky sludge often called mayonnaise. This sludge is a death sentence for your cooling system. It coats the inside of your radiator and heater core, making it impossible to cool the engine. Cleaning this mess requires replacing every single rubber hose in the car. If your BMW is turbocharged, the heat levels are doubled. The coolant lines that feed the turbochargers are often made of a combination of metal and, you guessed it, plastic connectors. These connectors sit inches away from a 1000-degree turbo housing. They are being baked every single time you drive, turning them into charcoal that will crumble in your hand. The damage doesn't happen while you drive. It happens when you stop. When the engine is turned off, the cooling fan stops, and the heat soak begins. The temperature under the hood actually rises for 15 minutes, cooking those plastic turbo lines in a stagnant oven of heat. This is why these parts fail prematurely compared to naturally aspirated engines. The smallest part is often the deadliest. A thin, brittle plastic vent hose runs across the top of the radiator. Because it is so thin, it is the first part to become glass brittle. Many owners break this hose simply by leaning on it while checking their oil. A break in this line allows air into the system, causing a localized airlock that can melt a cylinder. BMW's marketing claims their coolant is lifetime. This is a dangerous lie. Over time, coolant becomes acidic through a process called electrolysis. This acidic fluid actually eats away at the plastic from the inside, accelerating the brittleness. If you don't change your coolant every 3 years, you are essentially circulating a chemical solvent that is destroying your engine's life support system. You might think your car's computer will save you. It won't. BMW's temperature sensors are programmed with a buffer. The needle stays in the middle even if the temp rises from 200 to 230 degrees. By the time the needle moves to the red zone, the plastic has already failed, and the aluminum head is already expanding past its limits. We must address the why. Aluminum flanges and metal water pump housings exist. They are reliable and last for 200,000 miles. However, plastic is 70% cheaper to produce and saves weight for EPA fuel economy ratings. BMW chose a 0.5 mpg gain and lower production costs over your ability to drive the car past the 100,000-mile mark. There is hope. The automotive enthusiast community has fought back. Companies now produce cast aluminum versions of the Mickey Mouse flange and the thermostat housings. These parts are permanent fixes. If you are a BMW owner, these aren't upgrades. They are mandatory survival equipment for your engine. If your BMW has passed 60,000 miles and is still on its original cooling system, you are living on borrowed time. The only way to guarantee reliability is preventive surgery. You must replace the water pump, thermostat, expansion tank, and all plastic flanges at once. It is a $1,500 investment that prevents a $7,000 catastrophe. Look for the signs. White, powdery residue around hose connections is dried coolant, the blood of a failing system. A sweet smell after a drive is a warning. If you see even a single drop of blue or green fluid on your garage floor, do not start the engine. The system is pressurized, and a small leak can become a total burst in seconds. Stop going to the dealer. Dealerships mark up parts by 200% and labor by 300%. To save thousands, buy your own aluminum kits from vendors like FCP Euro. Why? Because they offer a lifetime replacement guarantee on everything, even your oil and coolant. You pay for the part once, and if it ever fails again, you get a new one for free. This is the secret hack to owning an out-of-warranty BMW in the USA. Master the overlapping labor rule to slash your repair bills. If your mechanic is already deep inside the engine bay to fix a $10 flange, change the water pump and thermostat at the same time. The labor cost is almost the same, but doing it separately will cost you an extra $800 in repeat tear-down fees. An educated owner doesn't just fix what's broken, they fix what's about to break while the car is already open. The manual is a marketing document. The physics of heat is the truth. Take control of your machine. Upgrade the plastic to metal. Flush the lifetime fluid. If you found this technical breakdown valuable, subscribe to AutoSight-G for more engineering truths. Share this with a BMW owner, you might just save them $7,000. Drive smart, or pay the price.